Once upon a time, in a kingdom far beyond the shimmering seas and majestic mountains, there lived a beautiful princess named Barbie. Princess Barbie had long golden hair that sparkled like the sun, eyes as blue as the clearest sky, and a heart full of kindness and courage. She ruled over the kingdom of Evergreen, a land blessed with lush green meadows, vibrant flowers, and crystal-clear rivers. One sunny morning, Princess Barbie was strolling through the palace gardens when she noticed something unusual. A radiant, multicolored butterfly was fluttering around her. It wasn't just any butterfly. It sparkled with tiny, twinkling lights, and its wings were adorned with intricate patterns that seemed to tell a story. Captivated by its beauty, Barbie followed the butterfly as it danced through the garden. The butterfly led Barbie to a hidden path at the edge of the garden, a path she had never noticed before. Intrigued, she decided to follow it. The path twisted and turned, leading her deeper into the woods until she reached a magical forest. This was the Enchanted Forest, a place of wonder and mystery, known only in legends. As Barbie ventured further into the forest, she met a wise old owl perched on a branch. The owl had feathers that glistened like silver, and eyes that seemed to see into her very soul. "Welcome, Princess Barbie," the owl hooted softly. "I have been waiting for you. The Enchanted Forest needs your help." "What can I do to help?" Barbie asked, her eyes wide with curiosity. "The magic of this forest is fading," the owl explained. "A dark sorceress, named Malvonia, has cast a spell that is draining the life and color from our home. If we do not stop her, the Enchanted Forest will wither away." Barbie's heart filled with determination. "I will do everything I can to save this forest," she vowed. The owl nodded. "To break the spell, you must find the 3 magical gems hidden deep within the forest. Each gem is guarded by a mystical creature. Only by gathering all 3 can you restore the magic and defeat Malvonia." With the owl's guidance, Barbie set off on her quest. Her first stop was the glimmering lake, a place where the water sparkled like diamonds. As she approached, she saw a graceful unicorn standing by the shore. Its coat was as white as snow, and its horn shone with a golden light. "Greetings, Princess Barbie," the unicorn said. "I guard the gem of light. To earn it, you must solve a riddle." Barbie nodded eagerly. "I'm ready." The unicorn recited the riddle. "I shine in the day, but not at night. I guide your way, a faithful light. What am I?" Barbie thought for a moment and then smiled. "You are the sun." The unicorn bowed its head, and a brilliant gem appeared in front of Barbie. "You have answered correctly. Take this gem, and may it guide you on your journey." Barbie thanked the unicorn and continued on her way, the gem of light safely tucked in her satchel. Her next destination was the Whispering Woods, where the trees were said to speak in hushed tones. There, she met a graceful phoenix with fiery red and orange feathers. To claim the gem of fire, the phoenix said, "You must prove your bravery by passing through the flames of truth." Barbie took a deep breath and stepped into the circle of magical fire. The flames danced around her, warm but not burning. In their flickering light, she saw visions of her past, moments of kindness, courage, and love. When the flames died down, the phoenix was smiling. "You have shown great bravery and a pure heart," the phoenix said. "The gem of fire is yours." With 2 gems in her possession, Barbie made her way to the final challenge, the Cavern of Echoes. Inside the cavern, she found a majestic dragon, with scales that shimmered in every color of the rainbow. To earn the gem of wisdom, the dragon rumbled, "You must answer a question that tests your heart." Barbie stood tall, ready for whatever the dragon would ask. "What is the greatest magic of all?" the dragon inquired. Barbie didn't hesitate. "The greatest magic of all is love. It has the power to heal, to bring joy, and to create bonds that can never be broken." The dragon smiled warmly and handed Barbie the 3rd gem. "You have answered wisely. The gem of wisdom is yours." With all 3 gems in her hands, Barbie felt a surge of magical energy. She hurried back to the center of the Enchanted Forest, where the wise owl awaited. "Place the gems in the ancient altar," the owl instructed. Barbie did as she was told, and as soon as the gems were in place, a brilliant light enveloped the forest. The trees regained their lush green leaves, the flowers bloomed in vibrant colors, and the air was filled with the sweet songs of birds. The magic had returned. But Malvonia was not defeated yet. She appeared in a swirl of dark smoke, her eyes filled with anger.